Hey, what's up everybody? Josh here, and today I'm looking at the Seenda 7-color backlit wireless keyboard. And this particular keyboard was sent to me by Seenda to just take a look, see what I thought. And so let's do a quick unboxing here. So if we open this thing up, we of course have the keyboard, and we have a USB-C to A cable for charging, and we also have a little instruction book. So let's take a look at those. Put the box over here. So this is a scissor switch keyboard, and one of the things, besides having the 7 colors on the backlight, it has a slot here for things like tablets and cell phones, so you can use those more efficiently with the keyboard. So for instance, if you're using Instagram and you're putting in a really long description, lots of hashtags, that sort of thing, this makes it really easy. Or if you're just, typing long form stuff on your mobile devices, it makes it a lot easier. And you can connect 4 Bluetooth devices to this. So if you're using, a desktop, a laptop, and a cell phone, for instance, and you want to use the same keyboard for all of them, this is what you want. So just initially looking at the keyboard, the keys actually feel really responsive. They're not squishy. They have a little bit of click to them, which is nice. And you can see that they actually have an Option Windows key and an Alt Command key, so you can use this with Mac and Windows. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. All right, so to connect a device, you hold Function and press the corresponding key. So let's do Function F1. And then let's go back over here. And then we got Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard. We'll connect to that. Let's take a look at this. All right. Yep, that seems to be working. Very good. Okay, let's try the Mac now. So we'll do Function F2 or Function 2, hold down the button there until it starts flashing. And we'll go to our Bluetooth settings and Bluetooth 5.1 keyboard. And we'll go to text edit. Yep, there it is, works nicely. You just have to remember when going from Mac to Windows to switch from Control A to Command A. Otherwise, it's easy to get confused. Let me just put it that way. So next, let's try connecting one of our phones, and we'll open Bluetooth. And this time we'll do Function 3. There it is, Bluetooth 5.1. Okay, and then we'll go to Notes. Haha, look at that. Very, very nice. Okay, and of course, let's see. So the only problem with a keyboard like this, with a slot, is it's really hard to compensate for things like cases. So if you have a really beefy case, like with a wallet on the back of it, it might it might not fit perfectly, is all I'm saying. If I take this other phone, it also has a case on it, but it's a little bit thinner. It fits better, and it lays a little bit nicer in that slot. Now this is a really large slot, so you could put a gigantic tablet in there, no problem. So that's not an issue. But just for kicks and giggles, let's go ahead and go to our 4th channel here. Let's open up our Bluetooth. Yep, there it is, 5.1, and it's connected. All right, if I open up my notes again, okay, and all right, we'll do it like that. And yep, My name is Josh. So there you go. So very, very easy, very useful. Okay, let's very quickly just try this one more time. Let's switch between all the channels, make sure they all still work. So let's switch to Bluetooth 1. I think I can just tap it, or maybe function F1 switches it. Yeah, look at this. So Bluetooth number 1, you can see it automatically reconnected. And then if we look back down at the keyboard, I'm gonna go function 2, and that should be my Mac. It just says connected. And then we will go function and 3. So we just disconnected from that, and it should reconnect automatically to this, I believe this phone. Yep. And then we'll try function Bluetooth 4. And now we should be back on this phone. Haha, look at that, very nice. All right, so the only other thing is the backlight. All right, so backlight, we're going to hold the function key and press the right shift key. And then to adjust the backlight colors, you hold function and press enter. So let's give that a go. Okay, so function and shift to turn it on. Function and enter. So we have kind of a blue light right now. We're going to go function enter. We got red, green. Oh, I like that green. Blue, like a deeper blue, kind of a lime color, a lighter blue, purple, and then back to, it might actually be kind of a white. But in any case, that's really cool that you have the option to change the color. So this is a company that I have never heard of before. They reached out to me to see if I would take a look at it. And frankly, I'm out of the box, I'm pretty impressed. I will throw an update in the comments if I use this for a while and there are any issues with it, but so far, so good. Now I will say that the USB cable is for charging only. You can't connect it to your computer for typing with the USB cable, so it's Bluetooth only. As always, I'll drop a link in the description where you can buy the keyboard, and if you use my code JMAC20, you'll get 20% off on your purchase. And anytime you use one of my links to make a purchase, you help support the channel. But that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. You can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and on joshmcdars.com. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.